Hello, my name is Gabriela Garcia, and my project is based on chemical reaction. For the project, I will be using 3 kinds of milk and Red Bull. My hypothesis is that I think once I mix Red Bull and milk, they will all mix together. Glass number 1 contains fat-free milk. Glass number 2 contains 2% reduced fat milk. Glass number 3 contains whole milk. I'll be pouring the same amount of Red Bull and milk in each glass, and we'll let it sit for 5 minutes, and we'll see if my hypothesis is right. It's been 5 minutes and my hypothesis is totally wrong. After 5 minutes, all milk is clumped up from each glass. The acid contained in Red Bull is coagulating the milk's proteins, causing them to clump up and curdle. The fat-free milk has little clumps. The 2% milk has a little more curdled milk. The whole milk is almost all curdled because it's not skimmed, if you can see right there. Okay, that's my project. Thank you for watching.